Guys, good evening. Sorry guys, I just came back from where I went to pick some herbs, fresh one, because I'm using it for a spiritual work for someone. Okay, so how are you guys doing? We are making back to sender. Yes, this is fresh bay leaf for people asking me. This is fresh bay leaf. All right, I have bay leaf at home, fresh one that I am growing. Yes, and I made a grow 'em. Okay. All right guys, I'm going to be doing back to sender. I need to dress my candles. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to prepare what I'm going to be using to dress my candle first. And also I'll be needing my sea salt for this work, and also I'll be needing my black seed. Yes, my black seed or miracle seed. Okay, this seed we are seeing have a lot of spiritual and normal health benefits. The only sickness where this seed, this black seed or this miracle seed, this black seed not the fit cure na death. Stay cool for my channel. I will tell you a lot of benefits you can achieve with this. Okay, yeah, this is my native shock. You know, I've been native shock picking. Just in case you don't know, native shock is just like a white powder. Okay, so guys, I'll be preparing this before we start the main journey. I just need few seed of heat. Yes, this is how it look inside. I just need few seed of heat, and I also need my sea salts, okay, for this back to sender recipe. See you all later.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah.
So guys, you can see we now have our black seed and our sea salt together. Okay, in this case you can use a mortar to pound. Okay, for now I don't have mortar to pound. Okay, I've made order and is on the way coming. Okay, because spiritual work need mortar. You need mortar. Oh, yes, because if to say mortar then now all these ones go smooth, you need to blend it into a powder form. Though I tried, it was not like the way I really wanted. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my red candle. Red candle is made for sending back to sender. Red candle is for danger. Red candle is for love. Okay, when it comes to this kind of spiritual spell, guy, no play with red candle. But do me a favor, try to get red and black candle. They get some candle where they get black for down, while they get some candle where we say go get red for up, black for down. And see on, as you can see inside here, I get my black candle already. All right, but this video I'm going to be using my red candle. Yeah, not mind the hash. I dey burn well I dey do back to sender well because of negative energy after attending to people for my platform. Yes, okay. So guys, I'm going to be doing back to sender, and I'm going to teach you how to do your back to sender. Try and get a black seed. If you don't have a black seed, it's fine. Just that this black seed, you see, if you blend everything, it cut onto powder form, is so lovely. Okay, so lovely and very powerful. The only thing where this black seed not the cure na death. And if you see use that send death in spiritual way, it harms sad. Okay, black seed is also known as miracle or fruitful seed. I call it anything you want. Okay guys, I'm going to be dressing my candle now. Yes, if you want to do your back to sender, make sure you learn how to dress a candle. This is a coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil, and make sure you get black and red candle. Okay, yes, try get black and red candle. Okay, if you are using it for back to sender, you need black under here. Okay, the same way where you see the right top where they write black. So yes, you need black. Might keep this oil first. You need black under there. So guys, I'm going to be doing back to sender. It's very simple. Get your black and white candle. All right, if you are doing back to sender, or you just wake up, you see and say person throw you something, or you be spiritualist, you work for person, and you see and say the energy with those person carry, the energy won't come to the energy, in the sense that the people where you do back to sender for, the people where you help remove their problem, or where you show recommendation to remove their problem, that's people where they worry, the people won't go worry you, maybe the bad energy as a spiritualist. Okay guys, you are doing back to sender. If you get sharp knife where it mat long, you go use them. Because I'm doing back to sender, I'm going to be using this, which is scissors or knife if you have a sharp knife. So guys, yeah, I'm going to be writing back to sender because I don't know the name of the person that is trying to do what they want to do. Okay, I don't know the name of the person, but if you know the name of the person that is troubling you, you can write the person name on the candle. And please, when you want to write it, don't write it upwards, write it downwards. Okay, yes, instead of you to from here right come up, from down, turn it like this. From here right go down, and make sure you write half, like you cut the candle into two, because here will speak for you, here is for the back to sender. Okay, so guys, I'm going to write back to sender. Back to sender. Hope you can see the way it looks like now. Yes, I'm doing back to sender. All right, and I do back to sender, so I have to write back to sender with a sharp pen. Yes, for bad people we no want pity you, or way they want to say they're strong, just do it like this, back to sender. If you know the person name where they do you, or where send you that arrow, like you know the particular person name, you just write them for your candle. All right, so guys, I'm going to be burning here. Okay, I'm going to be using here for my candle, so I need to give it space. So guys, you see, I tried to bring out the rope from down, and you see this place now be the back to sender what I want use. Okay, that's why you need two side of candle. If you buy candle will be say na back front, like the down na black, the up na front. Okay, you go turn the candle and open the back, burn the back to sender from back. Okay, while later you go turn here to speak positive things for yourself. Okay, yes, the down na for your back to sender, while the up now for you to speak positive things for yourself, because you don't return the evil with the devil plan back to sender. So let me dress my candle now, since I don't write my intention. Yes, you need to write your intention for the universe to know what you are doing. Yeah, I'm doing back to sender. So guys, I'm going to dress it with coconut. Coconut is a natural oil from God Almighty, so I want God to remove every negative energy, every arrow that the enemy want to send to me, because I'm working for people, or I'm helping people to get liberation or to get free from the captivities that they put the people. So I am doing it because they send a message to me. Okay guys, I'm sending it back to them. Okay, so now this is where you need your black seed and your sea salt. Black seed is very spiritual when it comes to back to sender. Black seed is very powerful when it comes to back to sender. Because I'm doing back to sender, so I need this black seed. Also with sea salt banish negative energy, binds negative energy, remove negative energy, destroy the works of the devil, and also sea salt drive away evil eyes from you. And sea salt makes people to be confused about you, because you are not clean and very pure. Your life is tasty and all of that. Okay, sea salt also goes for back to sender. When you miss it, this is the right way, and which I am doing it. I've dressed my candle. I don't know if you can see, the candle is fully dressed. I remove every negative energy. Any man, any woman that want to send me harrow, they want to send me sickness, they want to send me death, they want to send me step back. They want me to go down. May God Almighty remove every negative energy from my life. Every man, any woman that want to go and pay sacrifice for my head or already paid the sacrifice, they are sending me negative arrow. King of glory, I never spoil person's own. Any man, any woman that want to spoil my life, that want to spoil my own, may their generation and the person pay for it. Because they said the sins of the father goes with the children. So that's why as a parent, you need to live a fruitful and a beautiful life. So your kids will be well taken care of. Any sins you commit goes with your children. So mind how you trade and how you send arrows to people. I've dressed my candle. This is for my back to sender. Okay, so later here I'm going to burn it and speak positive things for myself, speak healing for myself. If also I don't want to use this candle also to speak positive things for myself, I can also try to dress a white candle for myself and use it. But it's good for you to use the same candle to speak. You send back to sender. You see the back to sender end here. So you're going to burn the candle down here. Why here you speak positive things for yourself. Okay, let's go there, guys. Okay guys, so I'll just use this, but make sure it's inside. Okay, yes, because I won't leave and make it day here they do by himself while we they talk. That's why you need to look for a safe something to help you all on top of the black salt. You see so they get what I the old small mat candle for Amazon and for the rest. Okay, now we set this aside like this. Anyone that sent you arrow, I don't care to know the type of arrow where they send for you, the person go collect. It's very powerful. That's why you need red and black candle, because the black is for back to sender, while the red is for the up there is the red is for you to draw your attention. But when you don't have black and red candle, just try to divide the candle into two, and the back to sender go big past the one where you want to make your intention. I don't know if you can see it. This is, hope you can see. Yeah, this is it. Now I will wait for everything to burn down. As it's burning, I will be praying. As it dey burn, I go dey pray. As it dey burn, I go dey pray. When it don't burn reach this place when I want, then this other place where they done, the small side where they done, I go turn the candle. Then I go pray my intention. God Almighty, as I banish every negative things from my life, I also pray for positive energy. I also pray for positive things. I also pray for good luck. I pray for mercy. I pray for compassion. I pray for your divine protection. I pray for the universe to continue to favor and grant me protection. You're praying it, you are saying your heart. Okay, so this other side is for you to pray your intention. Now you are bringing in positive energy. You are attracting in positive energy. You are doing positive energy to yourself. Trust me, after your back to sender, you'll see things manifesting great in your life, great in your family life, great in anything you do. That is it, guys. So guys, that is how to send your back to sender with candle. Yeah guys, candle is very powerful for you to do back to sender. Even native doctor, they use candle. Everybody they use candle. Okay, so if you be the type where you say you dey always dey pray and God, you believe say God know the answer and lie. At times you try to know your element, you try to know things to do, and that is it. So guys, I'll just wait for everything to burn, and be very careful where you want to sleep. So after burning, after your candle, your witches, your back to sender, try take everything, both the black seed salts, the black seed, you know, say the black seed and the sea salt, they under while your candle they up. Yes, it's absorbing that message where you they pass. Okay, yes, even if you put the candle on top of anything, try make sure say it on top of the sea salt and the black seed where you blend or you pound together. It's good for pounding. Yeah, any spiritual work where you pound, they very powerful. This is how to prepare your back to sender. Make sure say you take everything to the universe when you through that same night. Okay, so best time for you to do these things are between 12 o'clock. Okay, best time for you to do your back to sender 12 o'clock. Because 12 o'clock you do your back to sender. Manage my camera, manage me. I'm so tired. I just have to dress and show you how to do back to sender, because people have been asking me how to do back to sender with candle. Since I'm also doing a back to sender, due to the energy where people they try to pull their self, not me. Okay, yes, it's always good as a spiritualist you do your back to sender. Apart from being a spiritualist, as someone that do spiritual work, teach people spiritual work, it's good for you to do back to sender often, especially when you have this connection with God and with your ancestors. Okay, when they tell you do it, you do it. Okay, yes, you know, God they with us. You can see, so it's time for me to off. And now I'm going to turn the back. So now I've turned the back and it's lighting up, it's coming up. You see, that is it. This to show it went successful. Okay, yes, the flame right now is to show it went successful and God Almighty have done what he want to do. Okay, now I'll start claiming positive things to myself. I'll start claiming good things to myself. I'll start saying, like, this is it, guys. I'll also leave this to burn everything, like everything go burn finish. I will leave everything go burn finish. Okay, after burning, I'll take it outside to the universe to say thank you for prayer answer, because I know everything has gone back to sender and I know God Almighty is with me. Okay, you know, God is with us. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'm so tired, I'm exhausted. Just prepare it like this and trust me, you'll come back and thank me. You'll come back and thank me. If you know the person name where they disturb yourself, where send you harrow, maybe you they sleep, you see the person face to face, you're right time for your candle. Try and get black and white, or you do it the way I do it. One side for your back to sender, the other side to claim your wishes. Yeah, you need to claim your wishes. Okay, and as you even do the back to sender, because you already draw your intention by writing, by scripting. Okay, it's good for you to write your intention on your candle. It's very powerful. Even if you need money, you write it on your green candle. It's very powerful. You see my green candle is dressed also. Yes, it's good for you to dress your candle. Dress me your oil. You can use natural oil like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, cinnamon oil. Okay, yes, cinnamon oil do come for attraction. Coconut oil is for protection, back to send. Yeah, they use coconut oil for a lot of things. You understand? Yes, majority of the time when I want to do back to sender, I use coconut oil or olive oil. I like those natural oils so that when I use and bless the candle, I want to do the back to sender, I go gallantly. You know, now God Almighty create nature, so I believe more in nature. This is how to prepare back to sender. Do it and you thank me. There are more ways for you to do your back to sender. As day goes by, we'll continue to learn more. Thank you all so much for watching this. See you on my next video. Do not fail to subscribe, like, share, and drop anything you think. You can drop it on the comment section. I love you all. Bye, guys.
Wherever we go.